This video is about Paisley design. It is the name of a town in Scotland when the Paisley pattern became popular in the West at 18th and 19th centuries, following imports from India. The origin of Paisley pattern is Persian. In Farsi, it is boteh. This pattern is used on a special tablecloth in Iran named qalamkar, what you see here. This one is a Western fabric with Paisley design. Let's start with the material. Of course, we need paper, some circle template, pencil, eraser, black pens, colorful markers, or color pencils. The idea of Paisley came from cypress trees in the wind, which is a Zoroastrian symbol of life and eternity. These are details of Persian miniatures from Beatty collection for your inspiration. I'm drawing an abstract simple shape of a cypress tree which looks like an almond. And here I draw another one which is bended by the wind. To start the actual design, draw a circle and add the bended almond shape to it. Draw a smaller circle attached to the first one and a bit higher than the first one. The almond shape is added. I use this black pen for contouring and adding decorations and designs inside and outside of the main shape. These ornaments are all inspired by nature. I do another one in a slightly different shape. Again, 2 circles. This time the circles are overlapped. With the black pen, add details and decoration the way you like it. Repetitive ornaments are very common in Paisley design. Now it's time to color. I use markers. Choose any color you like your design to be. And here you see the final results of my Paisley pattern.